so nice to see you again. It's been too long, I've been thinking about you, my friend. You must have some stories to tell, so why don't you stay a while? So hello love, it's so good to see you again. It's been ever so lonely since I saw you last. Ever so quiet, why can't the good things ever last? Hello love, it's so sad seeing you go. It won't be long till you find your way back home. Ever so lonely since I saw you last. Ever so quiet, why can't the good things ever last?
Thank you very much. Diolch yn fawr. Dechrau bach mwy o gitar fi yn monitor fi, please. Ie, ni'n fi, diolch. It's lovely to be back. Mae'n neis cael bod nôl yma. Sa'n siŵr pryd ni yma diwetha, rhywbryd blwyddyn diwetha, I think. It's lovely to be back here. We were here sometime last year, I think. And hopefully it won't be the last time you see us here. Mae'r gan nes yma, enw'r gan nes yma yw Talk to Me. This next song's called Talk to Me. And I wrote this song. I had a few friends who were feeling a bit down in the dumps at the same time, and I'm not sure why, but they were sort of coming to me and talking to me about their problems, and I thought, well, I'll write a song about it. So this is the song, Talk to Me, and basically it's all about making sure that you've always got someone to talk to. Pan chi moyn siarad â rhywun.
You call your friend on the telephone, but she doesn't want to talk to you at all. You try to find something that you like about yourself, but it's getting hard. Whoa, so hard. Such a brave face you're putting on.
Diolch yn fawr. Diolch yn fawr. Mae'r gan nes yma yn gan eitha hen, sgrifennes e sawl blwyddyn yn ôl. This next one is a bit of an oldie for me, and enw'r gan yw Merch y Myni. The song's called Mountain Girl, Merch y Myni. A sgrifennes i gan yma amdano Nghatri, Tydrath yn Shibenfro. This song is all about my hometown, which is Newport in Pembrokeshire, and there must be one or two of you that have been there, but it's a lovely place. I'm obviously biased. Right by the sea, the beach, and we've got the mountains behind us, so it's a very special place. Mae'n lle special iawn. Merch y Myni.
Rwy'n cerdded ar hyd y tram, ac rwy'n aros i'r llong fynd mas. Rwy'n gweld llawer o wyliau dwi ddim yn nabod, ac wrth y gwynt a'r glaw does dim cysgod. Wyall ddweud mai fan hyn fydda i, Merch y Myni ydw i. Rwy'n cerdded lan ar y mynyddoedd ac yn edrych draw ar hyd gyd ar yr ynysoedd. Mae'r adar i'r ben yn canu yn hys, ac rwy'n sylweddoli dyma yw fy nyth. Wyall ddweud mai fan hyn fydda i, Merch y Myni ydw i. Rwy'n cerdded trwy dre sydd wedi newid, llawer mwy o bobl ar dir yr hyd brys. Cwd yn law i lan i gyfarch hen ffrind, achos mae'r ffordd yma fynd yn bryd. Wyall ddweud mai fan hyn fydda i, ffordd na bydd yn mynd, dim digon yn fy moced i. Merch y Myni ydw i. O Merch y Myni
yn fawr. So can you tell bach llai o gitar fi yn y monitor? Thank you very much. Any Stephen King fans out there? The author? No. Right, okay. That doesn't bode well.
I'll be a fan.
You can be a fan. I'm quite a fan of Stephen King or his latest, his older books. Anyway, llyfrau hen achos, I'm quite more keen on llyfrau newydd. I'm not that keen on his latest collections, but he's written a series of books called the Tower series, basically about this gunslinger who's on a quest to find this black tower, because he thinks if he gets there he can save his world. So there we are, it's a bit of a fantasy song. Enw'r gan yw Treacherous Heart. The song is called Treacherous Heart.
This song's on the latest album, by the way, which we happen to have for sale.
So if you'd like a copy, we've got some Welsh and English CDs for sale, so please don't be shy.
One by one, let you down, and I'll do it all again. Seems to me that history is repeating constantly. This lonely road is taking me places that I need to be. This treacherous heart isn't gonna see me. One by one, I've let you fall, and I'll do it all again. Seems to me that I used to be
Start to warm up here now. This next song is quite a happy song. It's all about relationship breakdowns. So happy for some people. Enw'r gan yw Don't Light a Fire. The song's called Don't Light a Fire.
I know it's hard for you to say what you wanna say tonight. I know it's hard for you to break away from me tonight. I see the passion in your eyes, I see the struggle in your mind. And I wonder if you ever realize, don't light a fire for me tonight. Don't you light a fire. Don't light a fire for me tonight. Don't you light a fire.
You know it's hard for me to break all the promises I made. And I wonder if you ever thought about
Don't light a fire for me tonight.
don't you light a fire.
Don't light a fire for me tonight. Don't you light a fire. Don't light a fire for me tonight. Don't light a fire for me tonight. Don't you light a fire. Don't light a fire for me tonight. Don't you light a fire. Ooh, ooh, don't you light a fire. Don't you light a fire. Don't you light a fire.
Thank you. Sgrifennes i'r gan nes yma sawl blwyddyn yn ôl yn coleg. I wrote this next song quite a few years ago in college. I had a singing exam and I needed 5 songs ready, and with pedwar can da fi'n barod, I had 4 songs ready but I couldn't think of the 5th. A byddwch chi'n meddwl o'r miliynau o caneuon sydd cael ei ysgrifennu, lle ni dewis un. You think of all the millions of songs out there, I could pick another one, but I couldn't. So I said to myself, I said, well, Lowri, you write songs, so write yourself a song for the exam. A dyna beth nes i. Dyma'r gan, oedd yn newid eitha lot dros y blynydde. It's changed a bit over the years, but it's basically the same song. Enw'r gan yw Cariad Mwyn. The song's called Cariad Mwyn, which means fondest love. Diolch yn fawr. Okay, I'm trying to think. This next song is off our new CD. It's called Easy and Slow. Just before I forget, we are back in Cardiff in a couple of weeks, and Club y Duke, the Duke of Clarence, I think it's in Campden, on Friday the 16th of May, ar nos Wener, May the 16th, gyda Hugh Chiswell, so os chi'n licio beth chi'n clywed, please dewch. If you like what you've heard, please come along. 16th of May in the Duke, Club y Duke, Duke of Clarence. This one's called Easy and Slow.
On the line, but you figure you give it one more time. Nothing you say or do will convince her you're not the fool. You want me to save your soul. Take it easy and slow, easy and slow, easy and slow. Holding on tight, you can't do wrong, you can't do right. All that you feel for her, it won't mean anything until it's over. You want me to save your soul. Take it easy and slow, easy and slow, easy and slow.
Expect me to catch you
When you fall, take it easy and slow, easy and slow, easy.
You want me to save your soul. Expect me to catch you
When
you. Quick checking the tuning. We've got a few more songs left for you. Thank you so much for sticking around. Diolch yn fawr iawn i chi am aros a gwrando. We do have CDs for sale, just to my right and to your left. So we'll be standing there afterwards. A hefyd, mae mailing list dan ni. We have got a mailing list, so if you want to receive a newsletter once a month, then I will gladly take your email address. I promise not to bother you more than once a month. Unless I've got very exciting news to tell you. This is quite exciting, actually. I can tell you this. We've just come back from a bit of a mini tour in America. Came back last Monday. I'm trying to think. It's like a dream now, isn't it? When you come back from places, you start thinking, did you actually go there? But we did a few gigs in Chicago and in Indiana and in Nashville, and we had a fantastic time. And this song went down quite well. This is our attempt at a Welsh country song. So they didn't throw us out of town, so that's good. Enw'r gan yw Ro Siawns I Fi. The song is called Ro Siawns I Fi, which means give me a chance.
Nawr mae'r amser wedi
Diolch yn fawr. Mae cwpl o gyneuon dan ni ar ôl i chi. We've got a couple of songs left for you. This next song took me 2 years to write, which is ridiculous really, but I had the chorus for about a year and 11 months, and then I gave myself a kick up the bum and told myself to finish the rest of it. So I did, which I'm very pleased, as it's one of my favourite songs. Halodd y gan mae 2 blwyddyn i fi i orffen. Mae di gorffen nawr, diolch byth. The song's called Deep Inside, enw'r gan yw Deep Inside.
She would have second thoughts, but that time has gone by. Deep inside, she's alive. Deep inside, she's quiet. Deep inside, she's alive. Deep inside, she's dying.
She's been waiting tables at the same old place, dreaming the dreams
That only she's about.
staring at the same old faces, wondering how she let it get this far.
It's gone too far.
Deep inside, she's alive. Deep inside, she's crying. Deep inside, she's alive.
Deep inside, she's dying. And how easy would it be to give up everything she believed?
Deep inside, she's alive. Deep inside, she's crying. Deep inside, she's alive.
Deep inside, she's dying.
Deep inside, she's alive. Deep inside, she's crying. Deep inside, she's alive.
Deep inside, she's dying.
Thank you very much. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Gobeithio wnewch chi mwynhau gweddill y dydd. yn braf mas di mas. It's very nice outside, so I appreciate you coming in and listening to us. This is another song about my hometown, Newport in Pembrokeshire. Can arall, mae'r gan nes yma'n gan eitha hen. Enw'r gan yw Little People, Pobl Bach. The song's called Little People. I'd like to say thanks to Lee for doing a wonderful job. I sometimes forget about him, but I haven't today. And thank you to you once again. And lastly, we do have CDs for sale. Mae CDs dan ni ar werth, os chi moyn copy. If you want a CD, if you just want to come up and say hello, then I'll be down there after this song. So diolch yn fawr iawn I chi.
Can I just say, well done to Lowry, really. She's struggling with her voice today. She's, first thing this morning, she couldn't speak, so I think she's done a fab job today.
Thank you very much.
Diolch yn fawr. A man came down from the city, calling all the shots. These are the women that he wants, shows him what he's got. He's got a big flash car, put you on it, all the charm that you can have. Take everything that you have, give nothing back. Nothing back. He stay a week or two, depending on how far he'll get in our hospitality. Yes, so we always bow down to your superiority, but it won't always be. You there, standing Lord over us, giving us the eyes that day. We little people, we need some guidance. So they say, yeah, hey.
And thank you to the sound guy as well. I've forgotten your name, sorry.